Welcome to your Model Y. This video will go over how to access your Tesla, including how to use your keys and get inside. Phone Key allows you to use your phone's Bluetooth connectivity to automatically unlock your Model Y as you approach, power on when you're ready to drive, and lock as you walk away. To set up Phone Key, enable Bluetooth on your phone, open the Tesla app, and follow the prompts. You can also use your Apple Watch to access and control your vehicle. Set up Watch Key by pairing your phone with your Apple Watch and accessing the Tesla app. Your phone and watch will be able to function as a key even without a cellular connection. Your Tesla also comes with 2 key cards that can be used to unlock and lock Model Y. We recommend always keeping a key card with you in case your device is unavailable or you need to give someone access to your Model Y, like a valet. To unlock with key card, place it against the driver's side door pillar. The exterior lights will flash, the side mirrors will unfold, and the horn will sound. Open the door by pressing your thumb into the widest part of the door handle. The handle will pivot into an open position, allowing you to grasp it. Pull it to open. Once inside, your Tesla will automatically power on when pressing the brake pedal. If using a key card instead of phone key or watch key, power on Model Y by placing the key card on the wireless phone charger and pressing the brake pedal. If you wait more than 2 minutes to power on, you will need to remove and place the key card on the wireless phone charger again to re-authenticate. To exit, press the button at the top of the interior door handle and push the door open. In the unlikely situation where Model Y has no power, you can open the front doors by pulling the manual door release located in front of the window switches. You can open the rear doors by sliding your finger into the slot at the bottom of the rear door pocket, lift to remove the cover, and pull the mechanical release forward. Once you've exited, place the keycard against the driver's side door pillar to lock. With phone key and walk-away door lock enabled, Model Y will automatically lock when you walk away. The exterior lights will flash, the side mirrors will fold, and the horn will sound, confirming that your Model Y is locked.